Alright, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you the tornado siren map of Kansas City, Kansas. This is the town I live in. I'm not going to be telling you where I live. First of all, we're going to start out with our testing schedule. Every Tuesday at 12 p.m., March through June, we test once a week every on Tuesday, and then we only test twice a week on in June. No, twice a month in June. Sorry. And then July through November, we test once a month. So here's the entire tornado siren map. We got the Fire Siren 10B, Fire Siren SD 10B. Sorry guys, I'm struggling here. And we got all these well and ops. Most of our sirens in town are well and ops. As you guys can see, they are. And we got a few Federal Siren 2T22Bs. This one really cool here. And we got a 2001 rotating siren. You know what they're called right here. This is the only one in town. Second gen. And then we got Federal Siren here, really cool. Used to be close to where I live. I've not seen this siren yet. I've seen every siren but this siren, and we have a whole bunch of well and ops all around this area. As we can zoom into the map real quick, as you can see, they are all over Ark City, Kansas. This is the siren we have used the most, or we have the most in our town, I should say. And we have a thunder beam right here that I think is really cool. In my opinion, it's the coolest siren we have in Ark City, other than the 10BS. The 10 SB10 or whatever how you pronounce it. Sorry. And then we got this siren right here. That's really cool. Bowling Township siren tied into Ark City, Kansas siren system. Once again, really cool siren. If you want to come see that siren, we'll zoom into the map. It's by IXL School Elementary School. It's right by. If you see the school, I can see how close it is. This is the road to get to it. As I zoom out more, this is the road how you get to it. It's kind of by Mount Zion's church, but not really. And as I zoom out on this map, this is what it look like. We got a Federal Siren 2T22B here, and shout out to Sirens of the Midwest for providing me with this map. Go to your YouTube video if you want to use the same link to look at your map for yourself. Here it is.